In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook password easy and fast in 2020. So what you want to do, you want to open the Facebook app and you want to click on the three lines at the top right. And then next up, you will actually see this. And what you want to do, you want to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And then right there, you actually want to click on settings. Then next up, you want to click on security and login. So scroll down and then right there under security, you will see security and login. Then click on it. Then next up, you can actually click right there on change password. And then right there, you can actually enter your current password. And then you can actually come up with a new password. And if you click on save changes, you can actually change your password. So that's how to change Facebook password easy and fast in 2020. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.